प्रगृह्णन्ति सर्वशिशवः मात्रादिभिर्बोधिताः तान् वन्दे सुगुणाकरान् पूर्वयान् श्री राघवेन्द्राभिधान्। ಮಂತ್ರಾಲಯದ ಈ
पूज्याय राघवेन्द्राय सत्यधर्मरताय च भजतां कल्पवृक्षाय नमतां कामधेनवे। श्री राघवेंद्र गुरुसार्वभौमर 352ನೇ ವರ್ಷದ ಆರಾಧನಾ ಮಹೋತ್ಸವದ 3ನೇ ದಿನ ಅಂದರೆ ಅರ್ಥಾತ್ ಪೂರ್ವಾರಾಧನೆಯ ಶುಭ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಂಜೆ ಶ್ರೀಮಠದ ಪ್ರತಿಷ್ಠಿತ ರಾಘವೇಂದ್ರ ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ ಪ್ರದಾನ ಸಮಾರಂಭ ಈ ವೇದಿಕೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಿದೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಅತಿಥಿಗಳಾಗಿ ಬಂದಂತಹ ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶದ ಸರ್ವಮಾನ್ಯ ಗೌರವರಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವರು
ಧನ್ಯಮಾನಮಸ್ಯಾವೇದ್ಯಂ ಅವಪಾತ್ಮಾನಯಜಮಾನಸ್ಯ ಹಂದೋ ಶಿವಾನಸ್ಸಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಜಶ್ಚದಸ್ರಃ ಶನ್ನೋ ಮಾತಾ ಪೃಥಿವೇತೋಕಸಾತಾ ಶನ್ನೋ ದೇವೇನ ವಿಷ್ಣಯೇ ಆಪೋ ಭವಂತು ಪೀತಯೇ ಸಂಯೋನ ವಿಸ್ರವಂತು ನಃ ವೈಶ್ವಾನರಸ್ಯ ರೂಪಂ ಹರಿಃ ಓಂ.
ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಗೀತೆಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರಸಾರ
to kindly address a few words on this occasion. Shri Guru Namaha Harihi Om. Yad granthan avalambya sarva sujanaha jata buddha bhutale samsara bhavalo ಶರಣಾಗತರೈನ ಭಕ್ತರ ಕಷ್ಟ ಕಾಪಣ್ಯವನ್ನು ಪರಿಹರಿಸು ಕೋರಿನ ಇಷ್ಟಾರ್ಥಗಳನ್ನು ಸಮಕೂರ್ತು
समस्त सम्मंगलानि विकल्पीय सम्राज्ञ सानप्य मंत्राक्षत प्रदानेन सम्मानयामः इति नारायण संज्ञयः.
Due to the untiring efforts of the present Pontiff Sri Subudhendra Tirtha Swamiji. At the same time, the Mutt is carrying out several activities for the upliftment of the poor and downtrodden in the society. I am happy to learn that under the vibrant leadership of His Holiness Sri Subodhendra Tirtha Swamiji, many development activities have been undertaken for the benefit of the visiting devotees as well as for the welfare of the people living in Mantralayam town and its surrounding villages. I am pleased to know that the Mutt is providing rooms and cottages for the benefit of visiting devotees, including drinking water facilities under Vyasa Tirtha scheme. The Mutt is well known for offering free food to thousands of devotees under the Annadanam scheme, free medical treatment under the Pranadanam scheme, Vedic studies under Sri Guru Sarvabhauma Samskrita Vidyapitham, and English medium studies under Sri Parimala Vidyaniketan. The Mutt is also maintaining Go Samrakshana Kendra spread over 100 acres in which about 1,200 cows are sheltered. It is due to the relentless efforts of the Swamiji that the Mantralayam shrine has been identified as Swachha iconic place by the central government. And the efforts of the Mutt have been appreciated by none other than our Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji himself. Further, I was informed that His Holiness Sri Swamiji is planning to take up several development works like construction of a super speciality hospital, a university. Actually, we were discussing of building a university here today, just half an hour or 1 hour back. Mini airport, etc., with the help and support through generous donations offered by devotees to develop this pilgrim center as a medical model shrine. I extend my hearty congratulations and greetings to eminent dignitaries Sri N. Chandrasekharan ji, Vidwan Sri Rama Vittalacharya, Vidwan Sri Garikipatti Narasimha Rao, Dr. Vishwanath D. Karad ji, who are honored by the Mutt by conferring Sri Raghavendra Anugraha Prashasti Awards here today in recognition of their achievements and services to the society. Before concluding, I would like to mention here a shloka in praise of Sri Raghavendra Swamiji. Pujyaya Raghavendraya Sarvadharma Rataya Cha Bhajatam Kalpavrakshaya Namatam Kamadenave. Meaning, I worship the esteemed Raghavendra, who is the protector of Satya and Dharma. I salute the esteemed Raghavendra, who is like a Kalpavraksha. I bow to Sri Raghavendra, who is also like our Kamadhenu, unquote. Finally, I thank the Swamiji for making this place as Sarva Janangada Shantiya Tota. Jai Hind.
मैं इस अवसर पर संतोषपूर्वक प्रकट करता हूं कि विश्वनाथ करड महोदय
Respected His Holiness Sri Subodhendra Tirtha Swamiji, Peethadipati of Sri Raghavendra Swami Mutt, Karnataka Ucha Nyayalayada ಸನ್ಮಾನ್ಯ ಗೌರವಾನ್ವಿತ ನ್ಯಾಯಮೂರ್ತಿಗಳಾದ ಶ್ರೀ ಶೀರ್ಷಾನಂದ ಸಾಹೇಬ್ರೆ, ಮಹೋಪಾಧ್ಯಾಯ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ರಾಜಾ ಎಸ್ ಗಿರಿ ಆಚಾರ್ಯ, ಈಸ್ ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಅವಾರ್ಡಿ, ಶ್ರೀ ಎನ್ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರನ್, ಎಕ್ಸಿಕ್ಯೂಟಿವ್ ಚೇರ್ಮನ್ ಟಾಟಾ ಸನ್, ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಶ್ರೀ ರಾಮ ವಿಠಲಾಚಾರ್ಯ, ವಿದ್ವಾನ್ ಶ್ರೀ Garikipati Narasimha Rao, Dr. Vishwanath Karad. He is the founder president, MIT World Peace University. Sir, I want to come to your place once. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೇರಿರತಕ್ಕಂತಹ ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಬಂಧುಗಳೇ, members of the media, I extend my warm greetings to you all. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ನನ್ನ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೊಂದು ಸರ್ವ ಜನಾಂಗದ ಶಾಂತಿಯ ತೋಟ. ನನಗೆ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಕೆಲವು ಕಟ್ಟುಪಾಡುಗಳಿದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಒಂದು 8 ನಿಮಿಷ ಆಂಗ್ಲ ಭಾಷೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೇನೆ, ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಬೇಕು ನೀವುಗಳೆಲ್ಲ. I deem it an honor and privilege to be here today amidst distinguished members on the auspicious Purvaradhana of Raghavendra Tirtha. At the outset, I offer my pranams to His Holiness Shri Subodhendra Tirtha Swamiji, the present Peethadipati of Shri Raghavendra Swami Math, and I am grateful to Swamiji for having invited me to this auspicious program. Shri Raghavendra Swami Math at Mantralayam, situated on the banks of river Tungabhadra in Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh, is famous for the shrine of Shri Raghavendra Swami, revered Madhva saint, who entered Vrindavana alive in 1671 AD. Shri Raghavendra Swami Math is a world reputed religious institution belonging to Madhva, also known as Dvaita philosophy. As you are all aware, Dvaita is a school of Vedanta founded by Sri Madhvacharya that lays stress on a strict distinction between God and individual souls. According to Sri Madhvacharya, souls are not created by God, but do nonetheless depend on Him for their existence. Sri Madhva states that Lord Vishnu, the God, is not just any other deity, but rather an all-important supreme one. Sri Madhva propounds that life in the world can be divided into 2 groups, Kshara and Akshara. Kshara refers to life with destructible bodies, while Akshara refers to indestructible bodies. Sri Madhvacharya reinforces in one of his doctrines, and I quote, Yudi nama paro na bhavet Sri Hari Tatamasya vashed jagate dabhut yadi namana dabhut yadi namana nama natasya vashe sakalam khatamavet nitya sukham na bhavet. ಏನಾದರೂ ಉಚ್ಚಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪಿದ್ರೆ ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕ್ಷಮಿಸಿಬಿಡಿ. The meaning is like this: if you feel there is no God, how do you explain as to why you cannot free yourself from the limitation on earth? If you feel you are the one in control of everything, then how come you do not enjoy happiness always and are always subject to sorrow and pain? I unquote. Sri Raghavendra Swami, the 17th descendant in the lineage of Madhvacharya, was a great mystic saint and leading figure in Dvaita tradition and a great exponent of Dvaita philosophy. He is believed to be the avatara of Sri Bhakta Prahalada and Sri Vyasatirtha, the Rajguru of Sri Krishnadevaraya, the famous emperor of Vijayanagara dynasty. Sri Raghavendra Tirthalu possessed extraordinary personality and is widely known as the mystic with supernatural yogic powers. He was a humanist with optimum compassion for the hapless mankind, suffering from worldly miseries. He was a divine entity endowed with all attributes of divinity. He was a thinker and philosopher with unparalleled command over all fields of Shastra, including Vyakarana, Mimamsa, and Vedanta. In view of the miracles performed by Sri Raghavendra Tirtha for the welfare of the mankind at large, he became popular and renowned as Kali Yuga Kamadhenu, that is divine cow, and Kalpavraksha, divine tree. Sri Raghavendra Swami attained Jiva Samadhi on Dvitiya day of Shravana Krishna Paksha in 1671 in Mantralayam in this Kurnool district of Andhra Pradesh. And this day is celebrated every year as Sri Raghavendra Swami Aradhana at Vrindavan all over the world. On Dvitiya day of Shravana Krishna Paksha in 1671, Sri Raghavendra Swami gave a soul-stirring speech to hundreds of devotees who had gathered to watch the event of his Jiva Samadhi. The following is the quote of that speech, and I quote, please listen to me carefully. Social work done for the good of worthy people should also be considered as the Lord's worship. In short, our life itself is worship. Every action is a puja. This life is precious. Every second of our life is precious. Not even a second that has gone will come back. Listening to the right Shastras and always remembering Him is the highest duty, I answer. The pious and religious philosophy and tradition propounded by Jagat Guru Sriman Madhvacharya also flourished during the time of Raghavendra Tirtha and continued by Peethadipatis that came in the lineage, and the same is being carried forward even today due to the untiring efforts of the present Pontiff Sri Subudhendra Tirtha Swamiji. At the same time, the mutt is carrying out